this Resonator is. I can't wait to put it under my car so it can get all destroyed from road grime and exhaust fumes. Yay! Hey, what up guys? It's your boy Cyborg here. So what are we looking at here? It's my latest car part, my latest mod. So stay tuned. Let's dive in. So as some of y'all may know, for a while now I've been trying to create the perfect Focus ST exhaust. Some say that's not possible. I'm a believer. I think it is. A lot of exhausts I've heard for the platform sound like complete garbage. And I don't want to be one of those same cars that just sounds exactly the same. So with that being said, I am on a quest to create the best sounding, most perfect Focus ST exhaust, period. And I think that starts with quality products, as most people would agree. So let's just dive right in. What do I have here? So these are some exhaust flange gaskets that are going to go between my 3-inch exhaust and my downpipe, my agency power downpipe. I bought these off of Amazon for $8. So for $8 it comes with 2 of these, and these are I don't know if you can see that there, if it's in focus, but they're high temp exhaust gaskets made by Tycon. They feel solid and really quality. So yeah, $8 for 2 of these on Amazon. Okay, so with that out of the way, the next piece is what we've all been waiting for. As you can see, I did go ahead and, I went with Vibrant Performance for a couple reasons. Number one, they are a huge, they're like, one of the top dogs in the exhaust game across a multitude of platforms. And, I've heard of this specific Resonator being used on Hondas, Subarus, American performance cars. So I knew that it would work on a turbo 4-cylinder platform such as the 2.0 EcoBoost. So after a bunch of research and reading reviews, I went ahead and purchased the Vibrant Ultra Quiet stainless Resonator. It's made out of, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's made out of T304 stainless steel. It's corrosion resistant, stays looking good. It's designed to dampen exhaust noise without restricting exhaust flow. Ideal for use in turbo and supercharged engine applications. Suitable for use in the mid-pipe and rear exhaust. So just so you know, this will be going like in the middle of the exhaust of my car, like right under right under the center console, I guess. So yeah. So let's go ahead and unbox this muffler, or Resonator, I guess you could say. It comes well packaged, and alright, let's put that over here. There it is, all bubble wrapped. Alright guys, so I took it out of its bubble wrap so you can see it. This thing is like a freaking work of art. I cannot explain to you how beautiful this Resonator is. I can't wait to put it under my car so it can get all destroyed from road grime and exhaust fumes. Yay! I don't know how well you can see here, but maybe you can see the welds. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's got like this mirror finish. I'll show you inside here. That's the inside of this Vibrant Ultra Quiet. You can see all those perforated holes in there. And there's inside the walls in there are, you know, more chambers and stuff. So yeah, looks great. Actually, I'm gonna put this back in the bubble wrap. All right, guys, so there you have it. The Vibrant Ultra Quiet Resonator / muffler and some Tycon exhaust gaskets. You know, I can't wait to get this thing installed. It should be installed this week, and a full review will be coming after that. So basically, I'm gonna have a 3-inch full from the turbo back exhaust with this as my only resonator in there, so it should sound really aggressive. You know, but not ricey, not raspy, not too loud. It should sound like perfect. I'm hoping, I'm crossing my fingers. As you know, my last exhaust job didn't go so well. I'm not gonna put them on blast because I think they're a good company, but the last exhaust job they did for me was not quality work at all. But nonetheless, they're good people. I'm just going elsewhere this time, you know, and we're gonna use good parts this time. We're not gonna rush anything. So stay tuned for the installation of this Vibrant Ultra Quiet resonator, so that you guys can be better informed when you're trying to make custom exhausts for your Focus ST that don't sound super ricey. All right, see you next time.